disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. Wait for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. Wait for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. 'Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh,
she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one.
Okay, y'all, so disclaimer alert, if you haven't already, watch my video about these chompers in my mouth, okay? Because I did a video about them, but this is not what this video is about. So definitely click the card or check the link down below, because I don't want you guys to be confused on what's going on, okay? Now let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, so obviously I am finished out this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Not gonna lie, y'all, it's still super uncomfortable to talk with these teeth, so please bear with me. It's only been, what, a week? Today is a week. No, yesterday was a week, so just bear with me. I'm hoping I am enunciating and talking well enough. Like, I'm already Southern, and add fake teeth on top of it. It can be a mess. Okay, child, so just bear with me. Okay, so the unit that I'm rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow. Shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. You guys know Rpgshow always come through with the come through. So once again, shout out to you, boo. Okay, so the unit I am rocking, the name of it is Brandy Beauty 004. It is in a Yaki texture, and if I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna go on the site, but if I'm not mistaken, you can get this unit in Yaki, silk, or one other texture. I do have it in 16 inches. It says hair color is the color of the picture. Cap size, I have size 1. It's glueless lace front cap, 200% density, and it says tinted transparent Swiss lace. It is tinted a light brown. So I'm gonna go on the site and see what they have. Okay, so on the site it says shoulder length, side bang parts, wavy cinnamon honey brown, ombre kinky texture lace front wig. It's in the color cinnamon honey brown ombre. On the picture of the model is 14 inches, and the model has the kinky texture, and it says 200% density. So the textures they have is kinky, yaki, and silky. I asked for the Yaki texture. I do really like the Yaki texture, but you can also get kinky. Just keep in mind there is more money added with that. Okay, so on their site, they have different sizes you can get this unit in, different lace colors you can get it in. And let me see with the cap size, because I have size 1. They have the size 1, which is 21.5 to 22. I do feel like this particular cap size is small to medium head friendly, because it's really snug on my head, and I am an average cap size. So I feel like if you get that size 1, you can also make it work if you are a larger cap size. I feel like if you have a larger cap size, you definitely need to get the size 2, which is 22.5 to 23 inches. So make sure you kind of keep that in mind. This is a pretty snug cap. Like, it's made for you to be able to wear it glueless. And if you are an average cap size, you could definitely probably wear this unit glueless. I always struggle over here with my ears, which is why I always cut the lace like I do, because y'all, I have very large ears, and I don't know why I feel like it's not taken into account. Okay, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe y'all can tell me something, because I ain't nobody's beautician, but I always have to cut kind of all the way up just so a unit can fit my ears, okay? I also wanted y'all to keep that in mind when you buy units from me. Like, I'm having to cut a lot over here. So I've had a lot of people say that they just buy the units from me for the hair because they may or may not be able to use the frontal. But I do have to cut a lot over around my ears. So just kind of be mindful of that. That this unit is definitely small to medium head friendly, and make sure you are purchasing your right cap size. Now, as far as the hairline and all that, honey, I ain't have to touch her. Old girl woke up like this, okay? She woke up like this, okay?
I woke up like this, flawless.
I did not have to touch the doggone lace. I didn't have to tweeze anything whatsoever. I didn't have to bleach anything. Now, I do want to mention that I did use my caramel lace melt mousse with this unit, and I'm still playing with this. I couldn't find my brush, so I didn't put a lot, and I was a little worried. Plus, with Rpgshow units, it doesn't need a lot, so a lot of nothing. So I can't really give you guys an opinion on that just yet. I'm gonna use it on a unit that's way more dense, and one that I had to customize, because I just don't feel like I can give it a fair assessment when it comes to Rpgshow, because their units melt in anyway. That's just me keeping it a buck. I want to try it on a much cheaper unit, and so I'll know if it works or not. So I can't really give you guys an opinion on that. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I really love this Yaki texture. It's one of my favorite textures to get my units in. I just love how it feels. It has a natural feel to it, and I'm pretty sure the kinky is probably even better. It's more expensive, but I think it's probably even better. I definitely prefer Yaki and kinky over silky any day of the week, girl. Okay, it just has this very natural sort of feel to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so if you've been watching me, my only con ever with the Rpgshow unit is that it's not a lot of space on the sides to part. Like, you have a really deep and a lot of space to part right up there in the top, but on the sides it's not as much space. You can still part it, as you can see, but it's gonna stop right there. So that is my only con with their units, and that's just me throwing it out there. Like, that's not a big con to me, but honey, I feel like every unit has a con somewhere. I'ma find it, okay? I'ma find it, because I want to be honest with you guys. So that would be my con. So my pros with this unit is I love the texture, I love the color, I love that it came pre-tweezed, I love that it came pre-bleached, I love that this is basically a unit, all you have to do is cut the lace and put her on, and she is styling. this unit. Obviously, honey, I would recommend it. I have not met an Rpgshow unit that I would not recommend yet. They come through. They come through. Like, what can I say? Like, they come through with the come through. So I would definitely recommend this unit, or any unit so far that I've tried from them. I would definitely recommend it, honey. I just would. Period. Alright, so let me give you guys this full 360 and this lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. I'm sorry, y'all got a lot of wigs over here. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you like this color. I love this color. I think it's a good fall color. I love this lint. I think it's a great everyday sort of lint. This is a very everyday sort of looking wig. I love that for me, but I think you can also finesse it and style it where it can be a nighttime wig too, honey. But it's definitely giving everyday vibes, and I love that for me. This is like the kind of hair that Juicy like me to wear to his school, okay? So I love it. I love this unit. Y'all let me know down below what you think. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Once again, shout out you Rpgshow for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. Thank y'all for bearing with me and the way I am talking, honey. I'll be used to all of this soon. Just bear with me. I love you guys so much. Thank you for rocking with me no matter what I got going on. Whatever transitions I'm going through, you guys are always rocking with me, and I truly do appreciate it. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style, and we